Prepositions and Conjunctions, Grammar Fundamentals. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. In today's video, we will be diving into the fascinating world of prepositions and conjunctions. These two essential parts of speech play a crucial role in forming meaningful sentences in English. So, let's get started. Prepositions are words that establish a relationship between different elements in a sentence. They often indicate location, direction, time, or manner. Here are some common prepositions. In. We use in to express being inside a place or within a time frame. For example, she lives in New York, or the meeting is in an hour. On is used to denote being on a surface or a day of the week. For instance, the book is on the table, or let's meet on Monday. At is used to specify a particular point in time or a specific location. For example, I will see you at 5 p.m., or she is waiting at the bus stop. It's important to remember that prepositions can be used in various contexts, and their usage may vary depending on the situation. Conjunctions are words that connect words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. They help establish relationships between different ideas or provide transitions between thoughts. Let's look at some common conjunctions. And is used to add similar or related information. For example, I like to read and write, or she sings and dances. But introduces a contrasting or opposite idea. For instance, I wanted to go, but I couldn't, or she is smart, but she is shy. Or is used to present a choice between alternatives. For example, do you want tea or coffee? Or, shall we go to the park or the beach? Conjunctions play a vital role in making our language more expressive and adding depth to our communication. It's worth noting that some words can function as both prepositions and conjunctions, depending on their usage in a sentence. For instance, after, when used to express time, it functions as a preposition. For example, I will see you after work. However, when it connects clauses, it acts as a conjunction, as in, after I finished my work, I went for a walk. Before, similarly, before can be a preposition when referring to time, such as, we arrived before noon. As a conjunction, it connects ideas, as in, I will call you before I leave. It's important to recognize the context in which these words are used to determine their role as prepositions or conjunctions. And there you have it. We've explored the fundamentals of prepositions and conjunctions, which are essential components of English grammar. Prepositions establish relationships between elements, while conjunctions connect ideas and provide transitions. By understanding these concepts, you'll be able to construct more meaningful and coherent sentences in English. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll delve into another exciting aspect of the English language. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!